Woodpeckers 3D setup blocks give you 4 physical references on each block. A shoulder milled into one end, a cutout on the bottom, a depth gauge on the top, and the thickness of the block itself. 4 different ways to use the 3D setup block as the ultimate feeler gauge. And a rock-solid bevel angle guide as a bonus. Woodpeckers 3D setup blocks run from 1/8 of an inch thick to 1/2 inch thick in 1/16 inch increments. 7 measurements used over and over again in furniture and cabinet making. Each block is precision milled from a billet of aircraft-grade aluminum, with each dimension held to strict tolerance. Use it at your table saw to set blade angles, critical fence positions, the depth of dados and grooves, and to check the results after you make the cut. Use it at your router table to set bit height and fence position. Check stock dimension when you're planing, and set the depth limit of holes at your drill press. The corners of all the features have a relief cutout, so you can use the whole tool. Other brands with radius corners are much more restricted. And since the block bodies are milled to the same dimension, there's no wrong way to use it. Block sets that are all the same thickness can lead to errors if you're not on your toes. Your 3D setup blocks come with a wall-mountable racket that keeps them right in plain sight and ready for work. Like all Woodpeckers products, the 3D setup blocks are precisely machined and carefully inspected in our Strongsville, Ohio facility just south of Cleveland. Convenient physical measuring features in the dimensions woodworkers use most. Order your 3D setup blocks today.